Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator. This video is to demonstrate how to add a POD from the load board. You have a couple of different ways you can do this. You can do it simply from the blue button. Add your document or your signature. You can also select more actions, attachments, view and upload documents. This will give you the opportunity to be able to see all the documents that are on the load, and you can add one from here as well. One thing you do have to remember, if you do it this way rather than from the blue button, you have to make sure and select that it is a POD. It is not automatically selected for you in this case. That's how you add your POD.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.